Close your eyes. Take a slow breath in and exhale completely. Again, breathing in and breathing out. If you're feeling drained right now, let this be the moment you stop pushing. Nothing needs your attention for the next few minutes. Nothing needs to be solved. Nothing needs to be figured out. Just this breath. Just this moment. Take another slow breath in and a long, easy exhale. As you breathe, imagine yourself sitting on a quiet hillside at sunrise. The day has not fully begun. The air is calm. The light is soft. And with each breath, the warmth of the morning sun begins to reach you. Breathing in, you receive that warmth. Breathing out, you release the effort of trying to keep going. Again, breathing in, warmth. Breathing out, effort. Imagine the sunlight growing brighter, gentle rays reaching your shoulders, your chest, your arms, your entire body. And everywhere that light touches, a little energy begins to return. Not all at once, just enough. Enough to soften the heaviness, enough to create a little more space, enough to take one easier breath. Breathing in, allow yourself to receive. Breathing out, allow yourself to soften. Notice how the earth never rushes a sunrise. It unfolds naturally, steadily, quietly. And your energy can return the same way, without force, without pressure, without effort. Take a slow breath in and imagine that warm light filling every tired corner of your body. Every place that feels depleted. Every place that feels worn down. Every place that has been giving more than it has received. And as you exhale, imagine making room for something new. A little more calm, a little more strength, a little more ease. Breathing in, restoration. Breathing out, fatigue. Again, restoration and release. There is nothing you need to fix right now. Nothing you need to overcome. Nothing you need to prove. You are allowed to pause. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to refill. Take one final slow breath in, allowing yourself to receive whatever this moment has to offer. And exhale gently, letting go of any remaining effort. Knowing that you do not have to do everything today. The next breath will come. The next step will come. The next moment will come. For now, simply rest here. One last breath in, and a long, easy exhale. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and carry this renewed energy with you into the rest of your day.